So we saw the power of Wagtail with their rich text fields. Well, there's another thing that really makes Wagtail powerful, which is a stream field. And this is going to be really useful when we create our blog project because it'll allow for whoever's on the admin side to intersperse different blocks within a field. And this will make more sense, but a stream field is going to be similar to a rich text field in that it's, a lot more freedom, but you're going to be able to add different blocks to each field. So you'll be able to add a header, let's say, then you'll add a paragraph, then you'll add an image, and you can keep on doing that. So let's go right into it. We're going to just get rid of this rich text field. And we're going to, from wagtail.core. Oh, sorry, we can keep all that. And this is going to be stream field. Okay, let's change this, stream field. Okay, I'm going to keep blank equals true and null equals true. However, the first argument we're going to send is a list. Okay, so this list will actually be the list of blocks that we want the admin to have available. Okay, so we want it to, let's say, have a heading, a paragraph, and an image. Okay, so it's going to send in a list of tuples. So we're going to call this, the first argument is the first item is going to be the name of the block, and then we have to send the block. Okay, so we're going to say blocks.char block. Okay, and you may notice, what is blocks? Well, we have to actually import from wagtail.core import blocks. Okay, and notice how it's pretty consistent with Django's syntax, where you have blocks.char block, or it would be models.char field, right? So very similar. Next, we're going to put a paragraph, and it's going to be blocks.rich text block. Okay, so we learned what a rich text field is, and now this is going to be a block within our stream field that allows for rich text. Okay, now we're going to put an image, and we're going to say it's going to be an image chooser block. This is going to be a little bit different because it's actually from wagtail.images.blocks, import image chooser block. Okay, so this doesn't come from wagtail.core.blocks. This is from a different module. And what we now have are a new field with different blocks. Okay, so we're going to have this stream field that can be null and blank, so we don't have to worry about publishing with an empty call to action field. It's going to have 3 different blocks that we can choose from: a heading, a paragraph, or an image. So let's run migrations. Python manage.py make migrations. Python manage.py migrate. And then let's run the server. All right, so let's refresh the admin, and this is our stream field. Okay, so if we wanted to add a different element, we can by just clicking it. However, notice that the call to action field is there because it's a field panel. But when we click on one of these, it doesn't show up. And this is because we need a specific stream field panel, which will allow us to do this. So we can just, from wagtail.admin.edit handlers, stream field panel, and then change that. Let's refresh. Now, if we are at a heading, we can say this is a heading. Then we could add another one. What do we want to add? Let's say a paragraph. This is a paragraph. And then let's say we wanted to bold this. Remember, this is a rich text block, which is the same functionality as rich text field, except now it's just part of a field. Okay, so then let's go in here and say an image. We'll choose an image and we'll do our wagtail image. Perfect. So let's publish. Go over here. Expected string or bytes like object. So this is one of the things that we'll need to look at in our template, because this is assuming a rich text field. Okay, and there's going to be a different way to output a stream field, okay? We can still get it from this wagtail core tags, but it's going to be include block page dot, and then it's going to be call to action. Okay? So now, if we refresh, this is our stream field, okay? So we have, if we go back here, we have our heading, paragraph, and then an image. And it does that all for us, okay? We have a heading, paragraph, and an image, okay? We can then, change styling for our heading. We can change the styling for our paragraph. And then whoever is making, let's say, a blog can just keep on going through and adding more and more panel or blocks.